Go. Don't be afraid to go fast. You can go faster. I got you on film. Here's how you stop. Like this, sideways. Go sideways. Okay.
He entertains himself.
I know. Where are we going?
Well, you guys go wherever you want, but I think
What?
we have to go down slow ball.
This is a dangerous path.
Here, we got you on video.
Mom, yeah, he's making a video of it.
She's watching you now.
Have you been downside?
Yeah.
How was it?
It was alright. It was bumpy.
Did you see that? I beat it good.
You beat Doug.
God.
Yep, Doug got slow.
You did great.
Thanks. All right, Martine, go. Down that way, straight. Go.